everyone, so today I wanted to show how to get super volumized hair for thin, fine hair. I do want to go ahead and say that my hair is virgin hair. It's natural hair color. And I don't know if that plays a role in if it holds curl better or anything like that, but today I'm going to be using the Bedhead by TG Wave Artist Hair Waver. And it's heating up right now, but I wanted to show you, it's got a little lock here so you can open and close it like this. And we are going to be using this to make our hair very wavy, and then we're going to be adding some volume to it by teasing. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off, and then I will be right back to show you how we're going to do this. Alright, so I did go ahead and spray my hair with Got to Be Guardian Angel Flat Iron Balm. This is heat protectant spray, just to give my hair a little bit of protection from the heat. I don't know if those sprays work or not, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all me doing a couple sections, and then I will speed through the rest of the video, and then I'll show you where to go from there. So I'm going to grab some. Now I have to be careful because my ear is right here. I'm going to open it to where we can clamp. I did use this, I got this yesterday and I used it on my daughter's hair, my oldest daughter, to practice. And it did really well with her hair. So clamp it. Move it down. And yes, there is a lot of smoke. Smoke, steam, I don't know. My hair does that every time, so I don't know. And just keep following along where the waver left off. And just go all the way down the hair. I've got very long hair, so this is going to take some time. Okay, and there's the end, and that is how my hair turned out. I think I have the heat too high, so I'm going to turn the heat down. I don't know where to turn it down. Oh, here we go. I'm going to turn it down some because it is very hot. I think I had it on the highest setting, so I'm going to turn it down some. Okay, so I turned it down. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair on this video. I'm going to have to really speed through this section so you all don't get bored, but yeah. Alright, so if you made it this far, I'm done with my hair, and that waver gives a lot of floof and volume to my limp and thin hair. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my head over, kind of move around some of the curls, and then I'll be back to do some teasing and hairspraying, and so I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, my hair is crazy. I don't even know if I need to do any teasing just because it's so poofy. So I'll be right back with hairspray, and yeah. Alright, so I got my hairspray. I'm going to go ahead and just spray some sections. I really don't feel like I need to tease my hair at all. So I'm going to spray it and kind of use my fingers to floof it up. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with the volume I just got. My hair is insane. If you have flat hair, I would highly recommend getting this. Yeah, the hairspray I'm using is Equate Beauty Extra Firm Hold. And it supposedly resists the effects of humidity, which it's a very humid day. But that was my little demo of the Bedhead Wave Artist Waver. And that is an awesome way if you have thin, fine hair or thinning hair or hair that's just stubborn. It will hold the curl as long as you use high enough heat. I think personally I had the heat too high. I just left my room and came back in with the hairspray, and it was smoky and smoggy looking, so I had to turn on the fan. I don't know if that was the flat iron balm that I used. I think I had that problem before. It burned off my hair and it made it smoky, so I don't know, but I'm really, really happy with how my hair turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're curious about the product that I used, I will link it down below. So yeah, thanks for watching.